Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 21, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 5th row and 7th row we have pair numbers 5, 8, 6. The 3 numbers can't come to these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. Column B we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. Column J, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3 and 4 we will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, column D, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G and 3rd row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row, column H, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd grade. Then column I we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6, 7. Column J, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells, we will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in the two cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. 6th grade, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in any of the two cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in any of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column C, then column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells, we will confirm later. Seventh grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5, 9. Column C, and 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, the 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.